What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Rewind Wednesday. On Rewind Wednesday, I talk about things from the past. Things that whenever I first started in the business that I vividly remember from way back in the day. And one of the jobs that I used to have was PDI, pre-delivery inspection. Pre-delivery inspection over the course of the last couple of years has changed a ton, but one thing about the new cars is they're shipping completely different than they used to. So nowadays they give you these big covers that saturate the whole car, so whenever they come in, we take everything off, we put the wheel covers on them, and just to get them ready for sale. So I figured today I would show you guys a little bit behind the scenes on how these cars are shipped. So first things first, before we get started, I need to get this cover off. Silver, that is what color this thing is. Silver. You know what, you guys, this kind of stuff, it's always kind of fascinated me. I mean, dude, look at this. There's these things that go up underneath the car. There's zippers. There's like this hard flimsy stuff that goes around the bottom of the car. There was tape on the front of it. I mean, it's crazy. Crazy to think that cars are now shipped in all this stuff. It all fits in the back now. I got nothing. I got no power. What in the tarnation? I left the keys inside. I left the keys inside. What I was gonna say was, just real quick, I just wanna say, all those buttons and all those things, this car is actually shipped from Germany. So it comes across the ocean into Delaware and then shipped by truck to us. So all that stuff is really just to protect it, which I get, I understand. It just seems like a lot. It seems like a lot. When I first started in the business, there was just like little plastic things that laid on across the cars. Kind of like some of our other cars. Maybe I'll cut that in right now. That's what I had when I first started in this business. I didn't have these big cover things that went all over it. And then just kind of additionally, like, of course the seats are covered. There's plastic on the interior, like right there. There's plastic everywhere on the radio. So that stuff's kind of standard. We're used to seeing that, but I've never really seen one with the full car covered. So just thought that was pretty cool. Let me go grab the keys and we'll talk a little bit more. There they are. Keys. It's pretty hilarious that it literally just snowed. The time that it took me to go in and get the keys, sell a car, come back out, it snowed. It was like full-blown blizzard there for a little while. We're not gonna let that stop us. I wanna show you guys kind of what we look at whenever a new car comes in, because I didn't really show you that yet. You saw the plastic, you saw everything whenever the manufacturer ships it to us, what the car looks like. Now we gotta talk about the things that we look at whenever the car comes in. Look at him back here. Look at him, he hadn't moved. It's all covered in snow. I kinda like it. I kinda like colors whenever it's snowing. So yeah, B-roll, one more time, one more little B-roll session. One more little B-roll session, let's get it. So the first thing that we check out whenever we bring a new car in from the factory is we check underneath the hood. We check all the fluids, we check everything underneath here to make sure that mechanically the car is ready for sale. Transmission fluid, power steering fluid, everything underneath. Washer fluid, just down to the washer fluid, we check it all. I was coming here for warmth, but warmth is not gonna happen in here. It's freezing, it's cold. I think for the first time in my life, I'm gonna experience like -30, -40 degrees this weekend. So not looking forward to that. But in saying that, another thing that we check out is all the electronics that are inside the car, right? So we check things like the heated seats, the navigation, the MyLink system, or in this case, the IntelliLink system. We check all that before the car is even put out in the lot. I need to find a parking spot. Need to find a parking spot. Where is a parking spot? Check this out. Another thing too, whenever the cars are shipped, they are shipped in transportation mode. No washer fluid, which I just said. And basically everything's just set up just to drive the car, that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. My name's Cody Reed. I do a new video every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So be sure to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Hit the subscribe button, like button, all the goods, all the goods. See you later, bye.